Hello, good morning students. Welcome in online classes. And students, today we are solution with a new video of class 7 English. And in that we are taking students today chapter 6, Marooned on an Island. Students, we have been discussed in previous video of chapter 7th poem, which was Lines Written from Home, and mistakenly I taught you that poems 2 stanzas or 4 stanzas, I think 4 stanzas. But no problem, we have been completed of course matters. It doesn't matter, it isn't matter of outside, it was course matter. So we will complete that poem in next videos. Our 6th chapter was left, so we have to clear firstly that chapter, students. And this chapter, Marooned on an Island, written by Johann David Wyss, who is a Swiss writer, Swiss means Switzerland, and this family is, and this is a novel's extract. What is extract, students? Part of a novel. Extract means part of a novel. So students, this lesson or this chapter is a part or extract of a novel, and that novel is written by Johann David Wyss, who is a Swiss writer, native of Switzerland. And this story is also based, this extract of novel is also based on a Swiss family or a family of Switzerland. And the name John Mill, father, and there is wife of him, mother, and 3 sons of them are stranded, are trapped, or are somehow felt in or on an island, on a desert island in the way of Australia. They were going to Australia with a ship crew, and in that they left all crew members. They left in sea with a small ship and some goods and things they had, and fortunately they sailed their ships till they awakened. But at night they slept on the ship, and their ship went, or their ship reached on an island, and they start their life. This story is totally depend on the life and struggle of island, with what they did and what the lessons and teachings they learned and understood and taught it to each other and experienced is the interest of this chapter. Students, before I read this chapter, I have some words which are going to come in this chapter, and I have written Hindi meanings of that words that you can easily understand that words and para. So students, there is first word marooned, which is also used in title of our chapter. And what is the meaning of marooned, student? That means helpless, or if you see in Hindi, asahaya. So the topic marooned on an island, that means they were helpless on an island because survival and life was not easy there. So they trapped and marooned on an island, they were helpless on an island. So second word is stranded, that means trapped, or in Hindi you see fase hue. So stranded, that means trapped, and fase hue. Then you see simple word values, family values, it is used in word, and that means मूल्य सिद्धांत या विचार. And you see that there is word expedition, that means abhiyan, प्रवास, or journey. So students, you have to understand this lesson or chapter is totally depend on a family struggle on an island, on a desert island, and how they make their home and how they survive themselves on that island. This story totally depend on that. Now we are starting from our course book, and students, in your course book, page number 43, I read. Students, let's read this inspirational story about Robinson family who were stranded on an island and how their family values and core beliefs kept them going. So students, as previously I told, this is a family story, and family was on a sea voyage, on a sea travel with a crew, ship members, and they left from that crew besides some other part on that sea or in that sea, and they had a ship and some goods with them. They somehow reached on an island, and there they started struggle of life. After the long hunger and precipitation, they started to make themselves alive. They started to make food. They started their homes there, and what the life they passed here, and what the values which their family had, and what the core of beliefs and values of their families they had. They used their values and beliefs to survive themselves in that harsh condition of that desert island, which were very hard to survive. So somehow they survived, and interestingly they survived there because after passing the time they managed themselves in that situation, and they were happy somehow. After returning them from there, they wrote these stories, and these stories was in publication. So students, that means this is story of struggle, that how we can live in any place, a lone place, and where we can't even very well introduced from that situation, and how can we survive in that situation. This lesson is depend on this aspect. So students, now I am starting our chapter. We should have been badly off without shelter of our tent. So here it is about family of John Mill and a Swiss family who are trapped and stranded on an island, desert island. So we should have been badly off without the shelter of our tent for the night. So students, although they had some adventurous travels and adventurous trips, in that they had at least tent or some facilities, but this time on that island they were totally without any shelter, without any tent, and that was badly off. So students, we should have been badly off without the shelter of our tent. The night proved as cold as the day had been hot, but we managed to sleep comfortably. Students, without shelter they had there on a desert island, and as you know, in deserts area, in days time temperature may be very hot, and when you pass in night time and when you stay there, the night temperature may be very cold. So students, in night deserts are hot, and in days deserts are hot, and in night deserts are cold. So in both conditions it is hard to survive, and there were not any shelter. There were not any shelters to survive. Only there was clean sky and empty sky on the heads of them, and they were just somehow managing and sleeping comfortably. So he said here that somehow in the harsh condition without the shelter or tent, they managed their night and slept comfortably. Everyone being thoroughly fatigued by the labors of the day. Students, here word fatigued. Fatigued, that means tired. And if you Hindi in see thaka hua. So they were fatigued and tired because of the struggle of day's struggle. They were in struggle while they were floating on waters and sailing on ship all the day, and after reaching on that island, so they were fatigued and tired, and by the labors of the day, the voice of our vigilant cock, and they had a cock also. They had a cock also, and it had a vigilant voice. What is vigilant, students? Vigilant. That means, here I have written, if you see the word meaning of Hindi meaning of vigilant, that means chaukanna. That means chaukanna, alert. So the cock of there was very alert, and they awakened by hearing of the voice of that cock, who was a vigilant cock because of his vigilant voice. The voice of our vigilant cock roused me at daybreak. So what is daybreak? That is morning. It is morning. So where the day starts, that is daybreak. So students, in the morning, by hearing the vigilant voice of the vigilant cock, they awaken, and then awoke my wife, that in the quiet intervals while yet our children slept. So he awoke his wife, and they talked some time, they counseled each other for some time in between their children were sleeping. So yet our children slept, we might take counsel together on our situation and prospects. So what is counsel, students? Counsel, if you see the Hindi word meaning of counsel, that is paramars. So they were advising to each other, they were suggesting to each other, and somehow they were talking how we can escape and how can we rid out from this situation, rid out from this situation. And they were counseling to each other and giving, somehow they were motivating each other to get out from that situation. And some possibilities, what is prospects, that is possibility, or possibilities, that is somehow not. So they were searching some possibilities or prospects that how they can rid off from that situation while their children or sons were sleeping. Okay students, now we move on second para. It was plain to both of us that in the first place we should ascertain, if possible, the fate of our late companions, and then examine into the nature and resources of the country on which we were stranded. So first, while they started their talking, firstly they started talking about their companions. Companions means, students, you see someone who is with our company, that means, if you see in Hindi, that means Sathi or friends. So students, they were remembering or missing their companions, their groups, and then examine into nature and resources of the country on which we were stranded. So first they thought and discussed, and somehow they examined and just imagined the situation of their companions, because they didn't know that where they are, because their crew members and crew ship has been went alone and somehow missed. They were missed from that ship crew, and so just they thought for some time for their companions. Then they started thinking that how they would survive in that harsh condition of that desert, and they were also not known that which country is this and where they trapped or stranded. So student, if we see in this chapter that country and that island is nearby Switzerland, and while they were in the way of Australia. So students, therefore they started thinking that how can they use the resources of and things and available resources of that island to survive their lives So they started thinking, examining that all things. We therefore came to the resolution that as soon as we had breakfasted, what is resolution, students? Resolution means, result or nirnay. If you Hindi see nirnay or decision or result. So they come on resolution, and what was the resolution? That as soon as we had breakfasted, Frisdi and I should start on expedition with these objects in view, while my wife remained near our landing place with the 3 younger boys. So they decided to go for expedition. What is expedition, students? That is Vas, journey or Abhiyan. They started expedition to find out some resources, some products available in that island that they can use those products to survive their life. So students, they went on an expedition with these objects in view. So they thought to find out that objects, and they remained his son's mother and his wife on home, on the tent they had made on the tree. And students, you have to know, they had made that tent or their houses on a tree, and after some time when his wife injured, they shifted their tent or house in a cave. So this is in the story. So students, so they were on an expedition to view that objects and resources of forest, while my wife remained near our landing place with the 3 younger boys. So here, so one son is with him, father, and I think 4 sons were there. So 3 younger sons are with their mother. Rouse up, my boys, cried I, awakening the children cheerfully. Come and help your mother to get breakfast ready. So they decided to go. One son and father decided to go on an expedition to find out the objects and things which are available on that island to survive their life. And at the same time, he is cheering up and cried up for their children to awaken up and come and help your mother to get breakfast today. So he called his sons to come up there and to make breakfast with in help of her mother. So to help her mother and with the help of their mother, they had to make breakfast. So he roused up and called up them there. And why you forget Jack's fine lobster, replied I. What has become of it, Jack? So someone is calling them to awaken up. So in between them, father is telling, you forget Jack's fine lobster. So what is lobster, students? That is, if you see, that is crack or croc, that is kekra. If in Hindi you see kekra, it is croc, C-W-K or C-R-A-K, croc, C-R-A-W-K. Or you can find this exact spelling, but that Hindi meaning is kekra. So students, so father is getting just an example of previous day that they were wanted to take a lobster or a croc and in meal. So father was talking about that how you forgot that lobster, why we made that in breakfast, and what has become of it, Jack? So he asked to his son Jack that what is about lobster. So it has been safe in this hole in the rock of all night, father. So what the Jack replied? Jack replied, father, it has been safe in their holes. So they were not dead, they were living in their holes. and they wanted to make them as breakfast, but they wasn't there in available situations. So students, just they were kidding about them. It has been said in this hole in the rock all night, Father, you see, I thought as the dogs seem to like good things, they might take a fancy to that as well as to the agouti. Students, they were talking about lobsters, and there is agouti. Agouti means, students, it is species of big rats. In Hindi you will understand bade chूहे. So somewhere on that island, in between of rocks, holes of rocks, and nearby that, and there they saw lobsters, okay, this kikra, and also agouti, that bade chूहे nearby them, and Jack was kidding with his father that if we haven't, although we haven't taken that lobster and agouti, that big rats, but they were also will be good food or meal for dogs. So they were just talking about that. A very sensible precaution, I remark, it is when the lobster is so large, for we shall want to take part with us on our excursion today. What is excursion, students? That means excursion, that means in Hindi you see visit, trip. So they were on trip and visit and excursion. So they decided that the crake or the croc and lobster is of big size. So they had to take part of it, cooked part of it in excursion and in visit. Okay, students. So just we are concluded till this in this video, and in homework you have to write word body of this page, and you have to write also summary of this lesson, and preface means introduction, and how this platform and plot is prepared there of this novel extract. You have to write in homework. And students, now I am completing this video. Further forwardation of this chapter will be in next video. Students, till then, have a nice day. And if you have any question, you can ask my number on my WhatsApp number. You can call me and send messages also if there is any queries. So students, we will meet in next video. Till then, have a nice day.